Okay, all right. This is Kinesis Gaming Freestyle Edge RGB keyboard. It's a split mechanical gaming keyboard, and there's a back. It's the box here. And then here's the front of the box again. And let's open the box. So in the box is another box, slightly different, slightly smaller. There's two halves of this RGB setup. So this one's for your right hand. And this one's for your left hand. And then this is the lift kit for lifting hands. That's a different box. So let's take it out of the bag. These are the Cherry MX Purple mechanical keys. That's what they sound like. Left hand, right hand. This part's squishy. That's what it sounds like. Okay, all right.